Welcome to Magnolia Pediatric Dentistry. This video is a brief tour of our office. This is our waiting room. On the far wall is our light board. It's kind of like a giant light bright. We really like this because it's fun, involves sensory stimulation, and promotes creativity. I love this window between the waiting room and the hygiene bay. It helps kids who might feel a little anxious about seeing the dentist. They can see other kids getting their exams and cleanings and see that there's nothing to be worried about. Some parents also prefer to stay in the waiting room as the window allows them to still see everything that's going on. This is our treasure tower. When patients do well at the visit, they get a super patient token so they can choose from one of 8 prizes. This is our front desk. This is the hygiene bay. This is where we do most of our exams, cleanings, and x-rays. We also do simple procedures here, like sealants. This is our sterilization room, where we clean and sterilize all our instruments. This is a room for patients who want a little more privacy. This is our mother's room. If you need some privacy to breastfeed or for any reason at all, you are welcome to use this room. We also have a changing table in the nearby restroom. This is our panoramic x-ray machine. It takes a picture of the entire mouth so we can see what's going on with your child's dental growth and development. We hope you enjoyed this brief tour of our office. Please stop by sometime and see it in person. Thanks.
Please like this video, subscribe, and follow us on social media.